How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we will be showing you the process on the TPMS sensor relearn procedure covering all 2015 to 2021 Mustangs. The TPMS, or the tire pressure monitoring system, became a standard feature back in 2007 on the Ford Mustang. The TPMS monitors your tire pressures and will notify you when you have one or more running low. This helps you with premature wear or even blowouts for the tires on your car. The 15 to 21 models are going to be a self-learning option, but in some cases, the sensors can go into a sleep mode to help save battery life. If you do install a new set and your indicator light comes on, here are the steps to reset these to get you back on the road. First off, you will need the TPMS training tool. This one will actually be the same option covering all 2007 to current models. Check out the link in the description if you're needing to order this tool. Moving inside the car, press and release the brake pedal one time. Do not press the clutch pedal if your car has a manual transmission. Press the start and stop button 3 times from on to off, and leave it in the start position on the third one. Make sure that all the lights are left on. Press and release the brake pedal once again. Now hit the button to off. Then repeat the start-stop button process once again 3 full times. Once the car is ready, after the third press of the button, the horn will honk. Now it is time to train the sensors. The dash will tell you what tire to start with. Point the training tool at the valve stem where the TPMS sensor is located and press the green button. The car will honk once the sensor is trained. Move to the next tire that the dash prompts you to go to. Once you have trained the last tire, the dash will say training complete. Then hit the OK button on your steering wheel. If you have recently installed a new set of wheels, this procedure may be needed to reset your TPMS sensors. As previously stated, these are normally a self-learning sensor, but if your vehicle does not learn these off the bat, this process will help you with reteaching the sensors. Overall, this is a simple task and should take you about 5 minutes to complete in your driveway. If you've liked what you have seen here today, go ahead and tap that thumbs up button. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be up to date with any new procedures like this one we release. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.